Howdy ho people I don't know, it's your resident blonde Asian over here, and today I'm going to talk about my KonMari journey, starting with the bathroom. What is the KonMari Method? Well, the KonMari Method was developed by Marie Kondo, and grossly boiled down, essentially what you do is you take all the items of whatever area is in question, bring them all into like the middle of the room, and you hold each individual item and ask yourself the simple question, does this spark joy? It's very deep, it's very profound, and it's a really great way to declutter. I did do this on a smaller scale, and frankly, I hadn't read the books. I just kind of went at it and I didn't have success. I started with my makeup, and although I was able to pare it down, the collection grew larger again, and that's kind of odd considering I don't really wear makeup daily, if you know what I mean. So this time around, I decided to get all the information I needed, and I really approached it following the method the best way I could. I did start with the bathroom, which is not the way to start the method, but I had 2 bathrooms and it seemed urgent to me, so that's why I wanted to start there. I brought everything into my master bathroom and I just went at it. So let's check out what I did. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom and I'm about to start my KonMari method of tidying up. I really did my best just to dump the stuff out and not try to inherently sort through it as I saw it, which was honestly, that was really difficult for me. But I really foresee a lot of things leaving because they're old or I forgot about them. But I also know there are going to be a ton of really random things in my mess. I have 2 bathrooms. So I took everything from that other bathroom and brought it into my bathroom. And I'm just going to go through it, and I'm just going to keep my tidiness goals in mind and really, really focus on what I'm doing.
Some of you watch any of my content, you might know that.
Okay. This is overwhelming in a weird way. Okay, here's one of those random things. Why do I have dry erase markers in here? I don't remember. Okay, I know this is old because I bought this for a show, which was in 2018? 2016, and it makes me sad because I thought that I was being good about things. I even labeled when I got it and where. How's this gonna go though?
Plastic, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to not buy something because it might be.
I mean, right? I bought this because I thought it was cute. Okay, yeah, that's not good. Oh, no.
It doesn't seem like a lot of, but having a little bit of clumsiness just creates more volume. So I think that there is a good amount and a bad amount. With this routine, there is just a little bit, but I like the way my life looks. So I'm really happy with this routine. It is all drugstore, and I realized that
I had a lot of stuff. I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't do better at keeping tidy. And I know it's because I didn't approach it with the correct mindset. I had a lot going on. I ended up getting a divorce. And, I did it, but I didn't, do it. You know what I mean? Like how on Hoarders, they'll, just take all the stuff out of the house, and then the person, relapses. I kind of think that happened, but things have gotten better. Brushes I'm going to do later because I know I have more brushes than this, but I don't know where they are, which is part of it. Even if you don't know where it is, you're supposed to try to find it and bring it in here. So I'm going to wait on that, and I'm going to go through the makeup. Struggling with this a little bit because when you wear red lipstick, if you don't want it to like bleed out, I use a lip pencil. And I know this is kind of new. I know I got it like a month ago, so I know it's still good, but it's like, okay, is this sparking joy? It's not. Because it's stressing me out more than keeping the darn thing. Because I could always, if I know I'm going to wear, like red lips, those are serious. So if I'm going to wear them, I probably know ahead of time. And I don't even think I have red lipstick yet. I'm not. Done. Okay, why do I have a yo-yo in here? Like, I don't, this was in the bathroom. Okay. Like, I get it. Like, there was like a point in my life where I was working on like learning like yo-yo tricks like seriously. And I think I learned like not many, probably like 2. And it was in the bathroom. Like, I kind of just took everything and brought it in here like you're supposed to. Like, I wasn't trying to sort through anything, but I mean, it's bringing me joy because I'm trying not to get like emotional, but like, it reminds me of how fun I am. I am fun, and I feel like I try to, not just me, but like everybody tries to discount like good attributes about themselves. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this yo-yo. I'm keeping it. Are you kidding me? Look at you, butterfly yo-yo. Yeah. Okay, so I got through my makeup, and I'm actually really happy because the first time I did this, which was not successful because I wasn't concentrating and I didn't, immerse myself in it. But yeah, I had way more I was getting rid of than I was keeping. I tossed out a few things that were already expired, but this makes me feel good. It's like, progress, not perfection, or whatever they say. But I am, however, going to do like the MAC thing where you can return the empty tubes and then they give you a free lipstick. So that's like, I'm still getting something out of it, so I'm kind of excited about that. Yep. No. Leave that. Ah! Ooh, that's my knee. Ooh. That hurt. Okay. Ooh, that's enough.
But
okay, so I've actually finished like a lot, and I'm surprised at how, I don't know, like okay with getting rid of stuff I am. Not that I'm a hoarder or anything, but you know what I mean? Like things that have just served their purpose and just like to let them go. It feels really good. I will show you what I kept once I get everything organized the way I want. Hello from the main bathroom. Let's see what I did. So here we are a few months later. I was able to organize and pare down the items I had. I had a lot of crap, and I like to put them in drawers and under the sink. So as we pony on over here, you can see that I have these acrylic containers. That brush is so cute, BT dubs. And I have these containers in here to help partition my beauty products, which I love. I like to keep a little bit of everything in both bathrooms since I like to get ready in both bathrooms when I feel like it. Underneath, these are my hot tools. They get super hot and help my hair look great, so I kept a few in here. This is my favorite. Look how open it is. That white container is all extra stuff that I could use in the near future. But other than that, it's all essentials. Things you should find in a bathroom. I don't have 15 of everything. Ooh, Hello Kitty. I don't have 15 of everything anymore. But I'm really happy with my ability to maintain it. Reporting from the fun bathroom. Let's check it out. So here's my makeup drawer. It's pretty abysmal. I have a lot of eye stuff, really. Look at the dancing nail clipper. I have a lot of eye stuff, really, because I barely have any eyebrows because I pull them out, so that's that. And then over here, we have the acrylic containers doing their job organizing. Look how cute my brush is. And you see clips, moisturizer, hair ties, bobby pins, daily beauty accoutrements. It's nice. Underneath, we have the hot tools, my favorite hair dryer in the universe, and my brushes to keep my main
luxurious. So I didn't say it earlier, but the risers you're seeing are really just boxes wrapped with fun wrapping paper. Yay! So here in the first container we have products I use plus the extras I intend to use. Hair towel turbans, nicely rolled. These are products I'm testing out, might do videos on, plus the yo-yo. Towels, makeup brushes, things that you don't need 15 of, pared down, nicely organized. Good for me. This last cabinet just has 2 containers. The first one contains my nail stuff. You can see the UV curing lamp and whatnot. And then underneath it is more extra stuff I know I'm going to use, so I'm keeping it until it's used.
Really did my best to stay true to her method. It was harder than I thought, but it wasn't that difficult if you're really truly answering the question, does this spark joy? One thing I noticed is that I don't wear makeup daily, so it's really easy to get rid of those items, but the items I did use, the shelf life is only so long, so I had to pitch it. So as a result, I've started to purchase more travel sized items like mascaras, and that way you get to sample a lot of different things without spending a bunch of money on something, and it saves space. So as I'm recording this right now, it's been about 4 or 5 months since I actually did the whole KonMari method, and I was able to actually get rid of some furniture that I had in the other bathroom. I know that sounds crazy, but I had this weird tower thing that I really didn't need, but for some reason I thought, hey, let's just throw it in the bathroom. I don't know. Also, when I started to put everything back, the containers that you see, I didn't necessarily have right at that moment after I finished asking myself, did these items spark joy? I didn't have them because when I looked deeper into the KonMari method, she says that you should find containers that bring you joy. And I had a few that were a bit hodgepodgey and I kind of just stuck with it. But then when I found some Sanrio bins that I really liked, I knew it was a sign because it was like, I just finished doing that and now I need containers for certain things and hello. So I just went ahead and purchased those. I was very, very, very surprised at how well I learned how to utilize the space in my bathroom. Although I had more space to play with, that doesn't mean I have to fill it up. You know, like major light bulb moment over there. So the main takeaway I have from just doing my bathroom alone is that even though KonMari itself asking the simple question, does this spark joy? It doesn't necessarily mean you could just scale it down like I did the first time where I just did my makeup. You really should try to focus on the whole area and not just like a drawer or a section. If you put the time and effort into it, yeah, it's a bit of a marathon, but you get through it. And like I said, 4 or 5 months later, I'm still able to maintain everything. Having said that, I not only did my bathroom, but I did other things. So if you want to know what I did do, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to give me a like and leave a comment. And I will see you on the flippity flip of the next video. Bye!